Hello guys, this is Virender Singh and welcome back at Mastercam Mill 3D Tutorials and Toolpath. Mastercam, in this video we discuss about that how we can prepare that one model by the help of different type of surface command. In this video you will learn different type of surface command, and so first let me show you that part drawing, so you will understand that how the drawing and all these the dimension for that one part. So as you can see here, that one is a drawing for that one part. So for creating that one part, first we have to create all the 2D entities as per the drawing. So as you can see in the drawing, all the 2D entities are very simple and easy, and you can create easily all the 2D entities by the help of all wireframe commands. So I will explain you about that how we can prepare surface model for that one part, and in the next one videos I will also discuss about that how we can create manufacturing for that one part. So now in this video you will learn about that how we can create surface modeling by the help of Mastercam different type of surface command. So let me show you that what is the drawing. So here as you can see at the screen size or a screen, that here is a one drawing or a wireframe part model. So by the help of this wireframe entities or by the help of this wireframe geometry, we will create the entire surface body for that one part. So for creating entire surface part, so first we already create that wireframe. If you require that one wireframe part or a full surface part and the drawing, all these details I will share with you. In the link is available in the description. So first creating for that one surface modeling, first we go in a surface tab. So for creating that one part, first what we have to do, we have to revolve that one part. So for revolving, we are going in a revolve command. After clicking on a revolve command, we have to select the which one entity we require to revolve. So I just select that one entity for the revolving purpose and I press OK. And now I have to provide the center area. After selecting the center area, what is the degree or what is the angle that I want required to be revolved. So I just input here, it is the angle is 180 degree. So as you can see here, I just input the value is 180 degree. So as you can see, I just revolving that my part by the help of revolve command. Sometime when you are trying to revolve, so that time the direction may be possible, the direction will be downside. So you can change your direction by the help of that one button. Now press OK. So here after press OK, the next one, what the next one process? The next one process is that we also have to create the flat boundary as per showing in the drawing. So for creating a flat boundary, we are going in a flat boundary command, select that one entity and press OK. So as you can see here, the bottom part is already done. So now but still there is a one part is missing. Which one part is missing? There is a one upper side area part is also we are creating, as you can see in this one model and also as well as in this one drawing. So for creating that one part, the next one process which we are following, let me show you. So for creating that one part, we have to first project that our entity on this one surface. So for projecting my entity, what I have to do, I have to select project command. So for selecting a project command, I have to go in a translate. And now here is a one command, project. Select entire entity with the shift command, and now I have to I have to project on that one surface body. So for creating project on that one surface body, I have to select on a surface or a solid, and now select the surface entity where I have to require to be projected, and now press OK, and I will be move that one entity from bottom to the top area, and now clear color. So now as you see here, my entity is now available on this one area. So for creating a entity like that one, so when you are properly watch the drawing, so that time there is a one angle and the angle is 45 degrees here and that one distance is 1 mm. So for creating that type of geometry, we are going in again surface command, and now we go for a draft, and now select again entity, press OK. So now what is the length is 1 mm and now angle is 45 degree. When we are selecting the 45 degree, so it is coming outside. So I have to press minus 45.0. so that time, as you can see here, when I just press minus 45.0, so that time my part is look like as per the model as we saw in the drawing. So now the next one process, what I have to do, I have to cover that one upper area. So for cover that one upper area, we are going to in a wireframe, and we have required to create again a new surface for the cover that one portion. So for covering that one portion, we have to create a new wireframe entity for it. So for creating a wireframe entity, we are going in a curve on edge, select that here, select that surface, and now last and final, select that surface, and okay. So now as you can see, I just select on all these surface, and when I just select on all these surface, so automatically there is a one new wireframe entity is created. So now I have to cover that one portion. So for covering that one portion, again I have to go in surface command, and now I have to select net. After selecting the net command, I have to go in a partial. First select that one entity. Now select single line, select this, change the direction. Again I have to select partial, select here to here, and now that here. Now press OK. So guys, as you can see here, that one part is already created. So as you can see here, my part is working properly, and my part is looking like as per the drawing or as per the model as previously I showed you. So I wish you understand all these things and all these commands as I show you. So in this video, you will learn about that how we can create surface model by the help of different type of surface command. And in the next one video, I will discuss about that how we can machining that one part, how we can select WCS for that one part, and how we can create all the roughing operation for that one part. So thank you very much. Be connected and updated for the more videos. Thank you.